Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify NordPass extension settings for password import. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify NordPass extension settings for password import, start by opening your web browser. Locate and click on the NordPass extension icon in your browser's toolbar. If you aren't logged in, enter your credentials and log into your NordPass account. Once logged in, look for the settings icon, typically found in the top right corner of the extension window. Click on the settings icon to open the NordPass settings menu. In the settings menu, find the section labeled Import or Import Settings. Click on this section to access. Here, you will see options to import passwords from various sources, such as CSV files or other password managers. Review the instructions provided for each import option carefully. If you need to import from a CSV file, ensure you have the file ready on your device. Check the format requirements for the CSV file to ensure compatibility. Once your CSV file is prepared, return to the Import section. Click on the Import button to initiate the password import process. Navigate to the location of your CSV file and select it. Follow any additional prompts that appear to complete the import process. After the import is finished, double-check your password vault to ensure all entries were imported correctly. If you encounter any issues, refer back to the Help or Support section within the NordPass extension. This will provide troubleshooting tips related to the import process. Ensure that the extension settings are configured to your preferences for future imports. Regularly check for updates in the NordPass extension for improved functionalities. Once you're satisfied with the settings and the imported passwords, you are all set to use NordPass securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.